Choosing the perfect cladding product can feel overwhelming with so many choices, but at Cladco Profiles, we'll guide you through the various products we offer, making your decision easier. First up, composite cladding boards. Available in 8 colours, you can choose between a smooth surface or a natural wood grain effect. These boards can be installed horizontally or vertically, giving you versatility with your project. They're low maintenance, but will slightly fade over time. Made from 60% recycled hardwood fibres and 40% recycled plastic, they're both eco-friendly and durable. With our next generation board, ProClad offers a premium wood grain effect with 6 multi-tonal colour choices. Boards are fade and stain resistant, making them incredibly easy to clean and maintain. With a protective capped layer, these boards are designed for long-lasting durability. Next, composite slatted cladding panels. With 6 colour options and a hollow core design for easy handling, these panels are practical and stylish. Featuring a textured grain surface, they can also be installed horizontally or vertically. Finally, Fibre Cement Wall Cladding, our most affordable option board for board. It's available in 8 colours plus an unpainted option. Fibre Cement Cladding features an embossed wood grain surface and is installed using a featherboard lap effect. Boards are weather resistant with minimal fading due to the absence of natural materials. In summary, whether you're looking for eco-friendly materials, long-term durability, or premium finishes, there's a cladding option for any style. Discover our online cladding calculator to work out how many boards, fixings, and trims you'll need for your project.